Hello, this is Abby Jamison, consultant with People Analytics. We have prepared for you today a presentation of the progress of the job crafting training. The presentation will discuss the steps my team and I have taken to ensure that the test is a valid measure of the constructs that make up job crafting and work engagement, followed by the sample tests we ran and their results. Lastly, I will provide some suggestions recommended by my colleagues and I as to how best to move forward with implementing this training. First, my team and I designed questions pertinent to job crafting, such as, I try to develop myself professionally, I try to make certain my work is mentally or emotionally less intense, or I regularly take on extra tasks. Employees score these on a 1 to 5 scale, with 1 being never and 5 being often. We then took those results and determined that each of the questions fell within 3 topics: self-improvement, reducing stress, or initiative. We then compared the job crafting behaviors among 3 groups of employees. 120 employees were chosen at random and placed in either the new job crafting training, the existing engagement training, or no training at all. We wanted to first determine whether there were any changes in their behaviors of job crafting. We then tested to see whether their scores increased after training. Of the 43 participants who received job crafting training, we measured their scores of work engagement both before and then again 1 week after training to see whether or not there was a difference. Of the 3 trainings, job crafting training, right here, produced the highest scores or had the greatest impact on employee scores of job crafting. While all of the factors, self-improvement, managing stress, and initiative, are significant to job crafting and thus work engagement, only self-improvement showed significant increases in scores over the other 2 trainings. We measured the scores of work engagement, defined as a positive, fulfilling, work-related state of mind, characterized by vigor and dedication, both before and after the training. We are happy to report that self-reported measures of work engagement did increase after the training. Based upon these evaluation results, People Analytics recommends that you continue to develop the job crafting training, especially in the area of self-improvement, as it increased employees' measures of work engagement. We recommend that the management team determines whether or not managing stress or initiative are important factors in the overall scheme of job crafting and work engagement. Our tests indicate they are. However, employee scores are not reflecting a change before and after training. We would recommend allowing us more time to reword or rephrase the questions pertinent to those items. Lastly, we would recommend testing employee work engagement at intervals of 3 and 6 months. Testing after 1 week will tell whether or not the training had immediate impact, but testing at greater intervals will tell if it actually changed their behavior or not. I thank you for your time and for allowing us to work with you on this project. Have a good day.